Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Gorilla Tag mod menu with DNSpy. Right here, it literally says DNSpy. The website to get Windows 64-bit will be in the description. So, you have to have Gorilla Tag modded first. Open your file, click on File, click Open or Control Z. O, not Control Z, Control O, go to OS, Steam, this is for Steam. I'll have another one for Quest, Steam Apps, Common, Gorilla Tag, BenPilNX, Plugins, Utila.dll, File, Open, there's a lot of things you have to open. Gorilla Tag data managed. Now select all of these until you get to Steam VR right here. Open that, open again. Now go down until you see the Unity animation rigging. Go all the way down, open. Now open again. You want to go back to your BenPilNX core. Select all this, open it, file, open, downloads. Now you can select, use any VR template. I use the Justice VR menu template. So, alright, so now once you have everything open, open this, open that, click on menu harmony patches, G-tag menu, and it should all compile. If these colons aren't here, then it did not work and something is very messed up. Just letting you know. Don't know why that opened. That should have not opened. Alright, anyways, as I was saying, go to G-tag menu. To change the color of the menu, click this, right click, edit class, Control F. Now type in color theme. Color theme. Now mine's already set, but what yours is gonna look like, yours will look like this for every single one. This is what yours is gonna look like. This is what yours is gonna look like. So, go in between theme and the colon, space, equal space, uppercase C, and then the rest is lowercase, color, period, and then put the color. Any of these blue ones, none of the yellowish, orangish ones, only the white, only the blue ones with the wrench next to it. So I'm gonna pick black, just select it and then click enter. Now do the same thing for the others. And then this is for BTN theme, is for when it's not selected. So I'm gonna make this one red. I mean, you can just do this. Just copy that. Now you only want to go up to this, go down to this. Start from color theme, public static color theme, to public static color BTN theme activated. Paste that in, then put the color you want, so green for when it's activated. Alright, once you got that, if you click compile and you get a bunch of errors, I don't know how to fix it. You're going to have to figure out how to fix that on your own. Compile, it compiles, and so now you got the color of the menu complete. Alright, moving on to making the mod names. So see this is page 1. Now you might be thinking, you might not look at this and be like, this is page 2, but no, it says page 4, and then it says page 2 right here. This is page 3. scroll all the way down. Right underneath all this PVV stuff, you will see page 2. This is page 2. So if we go all the way back up, page 1, and then page 2 is all the way down there. Alright, right click. You can either do edit method or edit class. I do edit class because I like it the best. So select this. Now let's say we want to make this no clip. So we're going to put no clip. And then say this, we want to make this sticky platform. So we're just going to name this sticky platforms. Sticky platforms. Now don't delete any of that. Just don't. You see, I did that by an accident because yeah, it happens. Okay. So I don't think that's supposed to be there, but is it? Hold on, let me check. Or yeah, it is. Okay. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, so we got page 1. So no clip and sticky platform. So let's go all the way down to page 2. Alright, so we're here. Edit class. Let's make this trigger platforms. So it's trigger platforms. And then let's make this one. This one's gonna be invis sticky, not invis sticky platforms. Invis trigger platforms. Alright. And then do that. So we're gonna start with page 1, which is all the way back up here. So let me just. Alright, so page 1 right here. So we got no clip sticky platforms. Alright, so you can either do this or just right click, like right here, or like any of these ends. You can just right click and then edit class. Just any of these ends, you can just right click and then edit class or method. Control F, catch. CATCH for anyone that doesn't know how to spell it. So it already says this, alright? So it already has all this. Now, don't mess with any of this, but what I like to do, I like to take flag and just go and then select all this, copy it, or you can do Control C. I'm just showing you what you can do. And then Control V. Don't worry if it says button active 5. It's not really going to do anything, but we do have to change it because it's the button that's going to be selected. So change that to 6. And then we have no clip. So take this and type in no clip. See, no clip and no clip. Or just to make sure you're spelling it right, you can delete all of that. Type in PRO, pro, and then yeah, see here. And then you can just do that. And then we got sticky platforms. I just Control C. I just did good Control C. Anyways, you wanna like do it from flag, not flag 2, but flag. Alright, so then we got sticky platforms. So or you can just type in process and then scroll down. Long arms does not work, at least is what I know. And then sticky platforms. Now you don't have to worry about these because it already sets that up. So yeah, you can resize the thing if you want. Alright, and then we had trigger platforms. So you have to like really remember this. Remember the mods you added. And trigger platforms. Trigger platform monkey. there. And then we got trigger invis trigger platforms. Now the reason why I'm leaving them all 6 right there is because I'm not worrying about that. I'm doing this, and now I'm going to change the numbers. So this is Invis trigger platforms. So, and yes, Invis trigger platforms is a thing. And there. Now we got do the numbers. So this would be 7 right here. 7, 8, 9. So it starts from 0, but that's okay. Do not change it, or else your menu will break. The buttons will be random. So like I set this to 1 before, and then just went up all the way. And disconnect became join random. No, join random would be disconnect. Quit would be join random. Right hand would be quit. So you don't want to change any of that. So now that we got the mods that we want, compile. All right. Now YouTubers say, other YouTubers that say this to do Control F and then creeper. But for me, that does nothing, cause and I don't really have to do that. Why? Because so you see, go to .cctor, which you're probably already on, and then once you're there, scroll down until you see menu V1. Right click on that, edit class, or you can just, well, yeah, either way. And then put in the name of the menu, which will be shown when the menu is activated in game. So this is going to be Mexy's tutorial menu. What the heck? Where did the X go? Mexy's tutorial menu V1. Click compile. It'll save. Now to actually like export it and send it to people, go to File, Save All, or Control-Shift-S, and then don't name it just as VR menu template or whatever template you use. Rename it. Take all that except for the .dll, delete it, so that way you're left with a slash and .dll and then the rest. Now send it to wherever you want it to go. Name it whatever you named it. So mine is Mexy's tutorial menu. So Mexy's. Oh yeah, when you want to put a space, you have to put an underscore or whatever it's called, underline. I like to call it an underscore. So it's Mexy's underscore or space. That is what the underscore is for. And then tutorial. You don't have to name it the exact same thing. You can name it whatever you want. So underscore menu underscore V1 if it's the first version, if it's the first menu you've made. Click OK, and it'll save to wherever you saved it. Open where you saved it, and it should be right there. Yep, right here, and it should work. So yeah, that's how to make a mod menu 2023. I'll see you later. Please subscribe. I'm almost at 100. And yeah, goodbye.